You want to learn how to make this beautiful crop top with no sewing in less than 3 minutes? Then keep on watching. I'll show you how. First thing, crisscross the hands of your top. Now tie them really tight at the front so that they can be able to be held by your shoulders. Hold on to your lower part of your top and push it up so that you can be able to make a crop top, and make sure that the back is completely covered so you don't see any of those mushy coming out. Then after that, tie the front of your top. Make sure it's really tight. It holds your breast in place so you can have a good feel and a good look. After that, adjust your crop top so it can give you a more bow tie look rather than just a simple look. You did it! There you have your beautiful crop top, which you can wear with your jean, your short, or your skirt, or whatever you like, or a jacket. Thank you for watching. Remember to please give it a thumbs up, and remember to please subscribe. Help my channel grow. Subscribe below, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.